Ever looked at your QuickBooks data and thought, okay, great, I have numbers, but how do I actually turn this into money? You're not alone. We all know QuickBooks is the powerhouse for managing finances, but let's be real, just having it doesn't magically make your bank account fatter. It's like having a high-performance car. You need to know how to drive it to win the race. Think about it. We're bombarded with information about streamlining, automating, and optimizing. But where's the practical, down-to-earth advice on leveraging QuickBooks to actually generate revenue? You've probably seen countless tutorials on how to input expenses or reconcile accounts. That's essential, sure. But what about transforming those financial insights into tangible income? We're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. We're talking about strategically using QuickBooks, the tool you already have, to uncover hidden revenue streams, optimize pricing, and ultimately put more money in your pocket. Let's face it, many business owners are stuck in a cycle. They're working hard, managing their books, but they're not seeing the financial growth they deserve. They're missing the connection between the data in QuickBooks and the actual dollars coming in. Today, we're going to break that cycle. We're going to dive deep into the practical strategies you can implement right now to make QuickBooks work for you, not the other way around. We're going to explore how to turn those numbers into a roadmap for profitability. First, let's talk about the foundational piece, understanding your financial health. QuickBooks isn't just a data entry tool. It's a diagnostic tool. You need to know where you stand financially before you can start making money. Start by running detailed profit and loss reports. Don't just glance at the bottom line. Analyze each category. Revenue streams. Are you relying on a single revenue source? QuickBooks can break down your income by product or service. Which ones are performing best? Which ones are lagging? This analysis is crucial. If you see a product or service that's consistently underperforming, it might be time to reevaluate it. Maybe it needs a marketing push, or perhaps it's time to cut your losses. Expenses. Are you bleeding money in areas you didn't realize? QuickBooks can help you identify those leaks. Look for recurring expenses that you can negotiate down or eliminate. Are there subscriptions you're not using? Are you paying too much for supplies? Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Cost of goods sold. COGS if you're selling products. Are you accurately calculating your COGS? QuickBooks can help you track inventory and calculate the true cost of each item. Understanding your COGS is essential for accurate pricing and profitability. Once you have a clear picture of your financial health, you can start to identify opportunities for growth. Next, let's talk about optimizing pricing. Pricing is a delicate balance. Too high and you lose customers. Too low and you leave money on the table. QuickBooks can help you find that sweet spot. Customer profitability analysis. QuickBooks allows you to track revenue and expenses by customer. Which customers are most profitable? Which ones are costing you money? This analysis can help you identify high-value clients and tailor your pricing accordingly. You might offer discounts to loyal customers or increase prices for those who require more support. Job costing. If you're in a service-based business, job costing is essential. QuickBooks can help you track the time and materials spent on each project. This allows you to accurately price your services and ensure that you're not losing money on jobs. Competitive analysis. Use QuickBooks data to understand your margins and compare them to industry benchmarks. Are you pricing yourself competitively? Are you leaving money on the table? Now, let's get into leveraging QuickBooks for sales and marketing. QuickBooks isn't just for accounting. It can also be a powerful tool for sales and marketing. Customer relationship management, CRM, integration. Many CRM systems integrate seamlessly with QuickBooks. This allows you to track customer interactions, sales history, and payment information in one place. You can use this data to personalize your marketing efforts and build stronger customer relationships. Sales reports. QuickBooks can generate detailed sales reports that show you which products or services are selling best. You can use this information to focus your marketing efforts on your most profitable offerings. Customer segmentation. Segment your customers based on their purchase history and demographics. This allows you to create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with specific customer groups. Let's talk about cash flow management. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. QuickBooks can help you manage your cash flow and avoid financial crises. Accounts receivable. Track your outstanding invoices and follow up with customers who are late on payments. QuickBooks can help you automate this process and reduce the time it takes to get paid. Accounts payable. Manage your bills and ensure that you're paying them on time. QuickBooks can help you schedule payments and avoid late fees. Cash flow forecasting. Use QuickBooks to create cash flow forecasts that project your income and expenses over time. This can help you anticipate potential cash flow problems and take steps to avoid them. Now, let's explore inventory management. If you sell physical products, inventory management is crucial. QuickBooks can help you track your inventory levels and avoid stockouts or overstocking. Inventory tracking. QuickBooks can track your inventory levels in real time. This allows you to see which products are selling well and which ones are not. Inventory valuation. QuickBooks can calculate the value of your inventory using different methods, such as FIFO or LIFO. This is important for accurate financial reporting and tax purposes. Purchase orders. Use QuickBooks to create purchase orders and track your inventory purchases. This can help you avoid overspending and ensure that you have enough inventory on hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.